is happening right now and what is happening in the country. And then he said, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ang lahat.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm remembering this from kasi I cannot take notes, I cannot take a ball pen and pen din. So sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ng lahat. There will be a day of reckoning for all.
BP, mahal na mahal po ang Duterte family ng mga OFW at mga Pilipino po sa bansang Pilipinas. Ngayon, grabe po yung emosyon ng mga Pilipino dahil mahal po nila si PRRD at kayo po. So may mensahe po ba kayo para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino?
Yes. Unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan. Mag-English pa ako, sir.
Yeah. Tagalog po kailan, ma'am. Bisaya na lang. Davao Bitar. Tagalog, ma'am. Tagalog.
Tagalog lang, Tagalog.
Tagalog tayo.
Okay, BP.
Okay. Sige. So, gadget lang ha. Gadget lang. Sorry to end, first off, I'd like to thank all our countrymen for your prayers and your profound support to the former president. We can feel your love, we can feel your anger, we can empathize with everyone, everyone's rage about what happened, and let us not be let us not forget the real issues in our country, and that is we are aware of that. Yes. That is the poverty, that is corruption, that is the failure of the government to answer the demands from the people about accountability and transparency. Yes. The failure of the government to address peace and security in our
walang ginawa ko na nagpapipasi lang.
So, because I wanted to give it time, airtime. I wanted to give the flowers airtime because I don't know who gave this, but the people who gave this made efforts to go to a flower shop and buy flowers. So I wanted to give it airtime, just to say thank you to those who took time to buy flowers. They know I love
your family.
Ma'am, how is this helping?
Address that time. Now, she will now address the Filipino community after the video. Okay, because
Lalo ko question, ma'am.
So, start muna tayo.
Nakilak po ka sa nepa mo sa papa.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Muna kayo. Ano lang kayo? Alam, ma'am.
I don't think
Sige.
Kagwapa ni mga may! Gwapa!
So, tap muna tayo. May ano tayo na yung pinuntan mo kanina?
Sir, doon na lang sa mataas. Doon sa mataas.
Wait.
Ma'am, doon na daw siya sa taas, ma'am. Doon na daw siya. Pakyatin ulit.
Sandali po.
Pakyatin, no? Doon na. Hindi, doon na daw.